Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD trims the biggest loss in 6 weeks while eyeing 1.3100 http ntvforex.com news ID 8BAA8D 7 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. GBP USD prints mild gains while extending recovery moves from 1.3041. Fresh US dollar selling ignores fears of further hardships for the UK's labour market. British PM Johnson determined to open schools in September, suspension over daily death data likely. Brexit optimism, UK-Japan trade talks and hopes of further stimulus favour the bulls. GBP USD picks up the bids near 1.3070, up 0.16% on a day, while heading into the London Open on Monday. The cable registered the biggest losses since June 24 on Friday. However, the US dollarâ's failure to keep the latest gains recalled the bulls despite not so upbeat headlines from the UK. Looking forward, a lack of major data events will keep the pair traders directed towards the key risk catalysts like Brexit, coronavirus COVID-19 and the US trader saw reaction to President Donald Trump's latest executive orders. Following his notifications to stop doing business with TikTok and WeChat, not to forget sanctioning Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam, on Friday, American President Trump signed a few more executive orders during the weekend to unlock the stimulus. In doing so, the Republican leader not only allowed $400 unemployment benefits but also offered helps to people living in the rented house and also on student loans. While the move helped the US dollar to extend Friday's gains during the early Asia, the recent news increasing odds of a stimulus deal among the US policymakers seems to have dragged the greenback off late. As a result, the US dollar index DXY drops 0.09% to 93.32 by the press time. On the other hand, British diplomats like Michael Gove and Rishi Sunak highlighted the odds of a Brexit deal by September without citing any strong shreds of evidence, whereas fears of a larger job loss wave triggered following the study by a British institute. The study by the Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development found the number of employers expecting to make redundancies had jumped from 22% earlier this year to 33% for the 3 months to the end of September, per Financial Times. Further, Japan is still talking trade with the UK even if denied on the push to recall auto tariffs before 2026. Elsewhere, British Prime Minister Johnson suggests reopening the schools in September, while the UK Telegraph came out with the headline saying, a UK daily COVID-19 death count could be scrapped. Against this backdrop, the market's risk tone stays mildly positive with S&P 500 futures gain 0.15% to 3,350 while stocks in Australia and New Zealand print welcome numbers. It's worth mentioning that Japanese markets are off today. Technical analysis 10-day EMA near 1.3030 precedes the 1.3000 threshold to restrict the quota's near-term declines. However, bulls are less likely to find an easy run unless crossing 1.3200 on a daily closing basis. Additional important levels overview today: last price 1.3074, today daily change 22 pips, today daily change percent 0.17%, today daily open 1.3052, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.2846, daily SMA 50 1.2656, daily SMA 100 1.2489, daily SMA 200 1.271, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.315, previous daily low 1.301, previous weekly high 1.3186, previous weekly low 1.2982, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.3064, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3098, daily pivot point S1 1.299, daily pivot point S2 1.2928, daily pivot point S3 1.2846, daily pivot point R1 1.3134, daily pivot point R2 1.3215, daily pivot point R3 1.3277, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, Text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.